Hey everybody, it is Miss Walters with your classmates here. We thought we'd go over the math with you today so you can check your answers for this sheet, and the exit ticket you'll do on your own. So in your example, it tells you what to do with the decimal point. We took 1.00, moved the decimal point over to create 10. And then 1 times 10 is 10. So for 24.5, can anyone here tell me what number they got? 240. 240.5 or 245? So 240.5, that moves the decimal place over 2 places. We only need it to be 1. Did someone else get a different answer? What was it? 2 times 12 equals 24. I'm not sure what that has to do with our 24.5 number being multiplied by 10. Anyone else have a different number other than 240.5? Okay. Oh, yes. Can you say it? Okay, Jade got 245. That is the correct answer. When you're increasing a number by a factor of 10, if you multiply 24.5 by 10, you move the decimal place over 1 to the right, which means you take the decimal point and move it here, and it becomes 245. The math is 24.5 multiplied by 10 equals 240. How many of you had that answer? Okay, so we had 2 of that answer. So 22 seemed to cause people a lot of problems. So what do we do so that way we don't change the value? Because I asked you guys in your Padlet to make 425 a decimal. A lot of you took this number, 425, and you made it a measly tiny little 4.25. You just stuck a decimal point in there. So when we have a whole number, can someone tell me where the decimal goes? After the first 2, before the first 2, after the second 2, someone other than Twala. Nigel, thank you. Raise your hand next time. Nigel, let us know it's after the second 2, because now it stays 22. It doesn't change that value. All right, and if we increase 22 by a factor of 10, what's our new number? What's our new number? We're taking this decimal point and moving it over 1. So it turns it into 220. You're still taking that number, but you're moving the decimal point over the 0. So if I were you, whenever I saw a whole number, I would add zeros after the decimal point to help me understand how that decimal point moves. And in words, 22 times 10 is 222. So this is what we're looking for. So if you miss any of your answers in today's lesson, now you can go back and change them. And remember, you're just moving the decimal point times 10 to the right. When it's times 100, 2 times. When it's times 1,000, 3 times. But today we're only talking about 10. So you're only going to move it once to the right. So hopefully this helps before you do your exit ticket. Thank you.